today's video, I will be showing you guys how I contour my nose. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The products you will be needing are a translucent powder. I'm using my Airspun powder. And then I'm also using an angled brush. I'm taking a darker concealer. This is the shade Toast from LA Girl. And you'll be needing a concealer of your skin tone or a bit lighter than your skin tone. I'm also using this square sponge. Once you've applied your base foundation, you can just go ahead with the darker concealer. I like to put it in the palm of my hands because it warms up my product better. And then I take my angled brush and just run through it. I pick up the product and I go straight to my nose and I contour it like so. I like to go straight down my nose and then I diffuse the product as I apply it. I like to connect it to my eyebrows so that the whole thing looks cohesive and not out of place. I just like to blend the product as I apply it. Now taking my lighter concealer, I like to go straight down on the bridge of my nose and the sides of my nose just to make that contour more there. Applying lighter concealer on the sides will also help to look more dimensional, if that makes sense. It's like we're adding light and shadow on our nose just to make it look a bit taller. With my blending brush, I just like to stipple that product in and blend it out very carefully because I don't want to disrupt the contour that we did. And I always like to connect it with my eyes so that it does not look out of place and everything blends in seamlessly. Taking my blender from Real Technique, I'm just going and smoothing all of that blend in properly. After this step, your nose will start to look prominent, and then we're going to take a translucent powder. With the tiny part of that sponge, I'm just going to take the powder and place it on my nose straight like that, and on the sides of my nose wherever I put the lighter concealer on. This is just going to help diffuse the product even better. I don't like to bake it for the longest time. I just put it on for a few minutes and then I just brush it out with a fluffy brush and just blend everything right away. I'm using a lot of powder because this is a cream contour, but you can always use your brown eyeshadows to use as a contour. You can use a cool tone brown for contouring your nose. Now taking my highlighter palette, this is a Star Blazer palette from Morphe. I will just highlight it on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. I'm not going through all the way because I like this effect more, but I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like if you put on the highlight all the way through the bridge of your nose. So this is going to give you more of a rounder nose look. It's going to give you more of a button nose. So now I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like if you put all the way through the bridge of your nose. It's going to make your nose look longer, and this is going to make the bridge of your nose really prominent. So I'm just gonna put on some blush from LA Girl blush palette and just complete this look. the final look for nose contour. I hope you guys learned something. I did mostly cream contour, but I will probably show you guys how I powder contour in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.